Icons. How good we feel whenever we see those cool icons on website and apps. So I was wondering how we can add almost all those type of cool icons in our React project. One way is to add SVG image for all the icons and use them, import them. But this is not a scalable solution. Unless I found this cool library called React Icons. React Icons is it's easy to integrate, easy to search, easy to customize. Using props, we can even change the size and color of each of the icons, and they provide more than 100 icons to use in your next React project. How to use it? Here is the way. Install the project, go to their website, search for the icon or the type of the icon you want to use. Simply import them by clicking it, they'll copy the code and pass the color and size and the props in your React project or let's say JSX file. And boom, our icon is ready to render on the website. That's all about React Icon, guys. Until next time, have a good day and don't forget to subscribe.